Stuck trying to find your SWIFT or BIC code in WISE? In 60 seconds, I will show you exactly where it is hiding. This is one of those things that can really trip you up when you were trying to send or receive an international wire. And the last thing you want is a delayed payment because you could not find the right number. So let us fix that right now. We will start from your WISE dashboard. Click into your USD account and reveal the code in just a few taps.
All right, so the first thing you want to do is log into your WISE account and look for your main account page. This is the main dashboard where you see all your balances lined up. Go ahead and click on that area labeled Main Account. It is usually the first thing you see when you log in, so you cannot miss it. Once you're in, you will see a list of all the different currencies you hold. Now, here is the key. The SWIFT code is specific to each currency, so you need to click on the one that says United States dollar. Even if you mostly deal in other currencies, for international wire transfers, the USD account is the one that gives you the SWIFT and BIC information. Go ahead and click on that line. Now you are looking at your USD account details. You will see your balance, maybe some recent transactions, and right around here, you will notice your account number. It is usually displayed pretty prominently. Click on that account number. This is the step a lot of people skip, but it is how you unlock the full banking details. And here is the really important part. Once you click on that account number, a new panel or a new page opens up with all of your banking information for that specific account. You will see your routing number, your account number, and right there, plain as day, is the SWIFT or BIC code. It is usually labeled clearly, so just look for that field. It might be a string of 8 or 11 characters, all uppercase letters and numbers. In my experience testing this across different WISE accounts, it is always in this exact same spot. Now that you've found it, go ahead and copy that code. You can highlight it, right-click and copy it, or just tap it on mobile and select copy. This is the code you will paste into whatever bank or transfer service you are using on the other end. One quick thing to double-check. Make sure you are looking at the SWIFT code for the correct currency. If you accidentally grab the code from your Euro account when you are trying to receive US dollars, the transfer might bounce back. So always verify that you are still inside that United States dollar section before you copy anything. All right, so now you have the code in your clipboard. When you go to set up your international wire transfer, whether it is in your bank app or a form online, you will paste that code into the field labeled SWIFT or BIC. Pair it with your WISE account number, and you are good to go. The funds should route straight through without any delays. And that is it. From confused about where to find that code to confidently pulling it up in seconds. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one.